Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about X-rays. My name is Clive Ndemo. Stay with me until the end. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to define X-rays, explain the production of X-rays, and state the properties of X-rays. What are X-rays? X-rays are electromagnetic radiations. They fall between the gamma rays and the UV radiations in the electromagnetic spectrum. They were discovered by a German physicist while he was studying cathode rays. They were given the name X because their nature was not known at the time of discovery. How are X-rays produced? They are produced in an X-ray tube when fast-moving electrons are suddenly stopped by a metal target. The diagram below shows the major parts of the X-ray tube. When current flows through the filament in the cathode, electrons are produced by thermionic emission. The electrons are accelerated towards the target, that's the anode, which is at a high potential difference, usually up to 100,000 volts. The cathode is concave shaped so as to focus the electron beam. The target is made of tungsten or molybdenum embedded on the copper anode. Tungsten or molybdenum are used because they have high melting points. Most of the kinetic energy of the electrons is converted to heat energy, with only 0.5% being transformed to X-ray radiations. That means there is a lot of heat being generated at the anode. The anode is made of a good conductor of heat, e.g. copper, to ensure efficient release of heat. Cooling is further enhanced by the cooling fins on the outside of the tube and circulation of oil through the channels on the copper block. The X-ray tube is made of a strong evacuated glass tube. The glass tube is evacuated so as to prevent electrons from colliding with air molecules on their way to the target, thus losing their kinetic energy. The target is set at 45 degrees so as to direct the X-rays out of the tube through a window on the lead shield. The lead shield absorbs X-rays produced at unsuitable angles. The high voltage required is supplied from a step-up transformer. After that overview on how the X-ray tube works, let us look at the properties of X-rays. Properties of X-rays. X-rays are not charged, hence they are not affected by magnetic or electric fields. X-rays ionize air molecules, meaning they knock off electrons from the molecules on their path. X-rays affect photographic emulsions. When photographic emulsions are exposed to X-rays, they darken. X-rays cause certain materials to fluoresce or glow. X-rays penetrate matter, except high-density materials where penetration is minimal, e.g. lead and thick concrete walls. X-rays travel in straight lines at the speed of light, that is 3.0 times 10 power 8 meters per second. X-rays are transverse in nature, since they can be diffracted or undergo polarization. X-rays can cause photoelectric emission. Well, that's all we had in today's video. Keep watching and looking out for more videos. Also remember to subscribe.